When you have a lawn that goes right up next to your garden, what you want to do is have a nice, sharp, clean edge of your gardening next to your grass. You don't want to have the two just kind of blend in together. So oftentimes in the spring, as I'm busy in my garden, sometimes I have my husband, who is very eager to help out, but is really good at doing something like edging, because it takes a little bit of strength. What you have to do is get this edge of your shovel, and you have to put it down and go inward and take that whole edge basically right out till you have a nice clean edge here on the edge of your garden. Now I'm just going to move this aside now, but if you see that and then you fill this in with your dirt, your lawn, which loves to just creep in, will now not be able to go into your garden, and you can have your plants right up next to it. And then you can see the nice edge, the nice design. Sometimes I like to have a nice round edge on a garden right up here, as opposed to the squares in a rectangular shaped garden. So with your shovel and the edge here, you can define your garden, put some flowers up near the edge, have some higher flowers, and it kind of just makes the whole little corner here look a little bit neater.